West Java. The province of West Java, with the capital city of Bandung, is the province where I was born and grew up there. Has a lot of memories. The province has a rich history, culture, and natural heritage. Geography. West Java has a mountain, highlands, and the lowlands. Its economy is supported by agriculture, manufacturing, industry, trade, and tourism. The province also has the diverse ethnic and the cultural groups, including indigenous, who are the majority ethnic group there. West Java has several renowned universities such as Bandung Institute of Technology and Pajajaran University. With a combination of natural beauty, diverse culture, and economic progress, West Java plays an important role in the development of Indonesia. Tangkuban is a mountain in West Java, Indonesia, famous for its shape resembling an inverted bowl. According to Sunday's legend, the mountain was formed from a forbidden love story between Sang Kuryang, a young man, and Dayang Sumbi. His unknown mother, Dayang Sumbi, gave Sang Kuryang the default task of creating a lake and a boat overnight. However, when it was almost finished, Sang Kuryang was struck by Dayang Sumbi and his time ran out. Sang Kuryang was angry and kicked the boat, which then turned in a mountain that we know as Tangkuban. I was born and raised in Bekasi, West Java province. I grew up in the city, have many relatives and friends, have a very meaningful life story for me, so many memories in the city. Many changes are starting to develop in my city, and for congestion and the pollution. I have also for Bekasi City to be better in preventing congestion and also reducing air pollution.